why people leave freaking messes. This what makes it bad for us, leaving all this stuff out here. I don't know who's doing this. This ain't no good, guys. Lift that. It's always a mess, so I figured I'd clean it up this time. Again, my camera shut off, guys. I just cleaned out Burlington Coat's dumpster, cleaned it up, threw the bags back in there. My camera was off when I turned it on, so I don't know what's up with my camera. I'm hoping it'll hang in there until I can at least start making some money with YouTube and be able to add a little bit of money to getting a new camera, because this ain't cool what's going on with my camera. I don't know if it's somehow got an auto shut off. I don't know, but it might have. Wow, look how worn these drumsticks are. Wow. Brand new freaking guitar, guys. That's what's up. I'm going to show you that guitar when I get home, guys. Thanks to all the new subscribers and everybody decided to hang around and ring that bell. I appreciate you guys so much. Trying to build this channel and have fun doing it. Yeah, that's what it's about, you know. Quick peek at the guitar in case you didn't see me pull it out of the dumpster. Okay, guys, we got a freaking Yamaha kick butt guitar here. There's all the tuners. Not sure what that is. That might be the plug to plug into. There's no belt, but there's clips for the belt. Look at that. Look at the little gears here to tighten that up. That's really cool. You know, I really like this guitar, guys. Natural wood. Yamaha NTX 700. It works, guys. $329.99. $330. It is used, but in like new condition. Look at the shine on this guitar. This was well taken care of. This was on top. So if I could save an instrument, that means everything. That's just awesomeness right there, to save an instrument from going to the landfill, especially when it's in new condition. It's like this guy. Even though it's used, it's in new condition. I didn't see any scratches on there. I hope I don't put any scratches on it while I'm storing this thing. I don't know how to play an instrument, and maybe it's time for me to learn. But I do need the money at the same time. This looks like a guitar holder of some sort, or for a drum on stage stand, but it's missing the other pieces. I definitely want to go back and hit this dumpster hard. Okay, guys, we got a HP keyboard. It's like a nice keyboard. I don't know if anything is wrong with it, you know. case mine goes. I'll just hold on to it in case mine goes, you know. But you never know. We got some kind of iron here. It looks like it's cracked on top. The button's shot, so I guess this will just go into my tin pile. Cut the cord, throw it in a metal pile, that's it. And the microwave, guys, I got off camera, but that's the microwave I found on my way out. Now on my way, not on my way out, my way down the hill. Wow, this is like a big case here, guys. I figured I could throw the guitar in here, but this is huge. This might be for like a big bass or something like that. JVC CD player, 1999. Looks like it was made in 99 as well. This is old. I don't know what this place is, to be honest with you. So we got that, guys. That's pretty cool find right there, though. We got a cord to plug into the guitar. I think we got a few different cords here. Few different cords. I guess that plugs into the amplifier. Power. I don't know. There's for the guitars. Yeah, these are for the guitars. So that's pretty cool. Oh, we got this vintage iron board. Just a few different things. Yeah, that's pretty cool. There's a little rack. A little shelf. It's not bad. I didn't even know I grabbed part of a lamp. This is for the drums, yeah. There's the foot pedal. Okay, I'm gonna put that in there. Oh shoot. Crumbs all over. We got a toaster, guys. Straight to the shred. Got some power options here. It's possible that this thing works. Could just use a cleanup. Let's go in the other door over here. Jeep is all dirty. Oh, there was more of these, guys. I wanted to get them. I think I'm done. Dig these out next time. Next time I'm there, I'll dig those out. We got some kind of thing here. I don't know why this would be taken out of whatever it went to. Oh, look, that's where that thing plugs in. There's probably an amplifier in there. There's one of the controls here. Yeah, got some gold right there, though. That's pretty cool. Let me see. Oh, everything's falling out, guys. Oh, the guitar bag fell out too. So we got a guitar bag here I could use. That's pretty cool. I don't know what name brand it is. It definitely needs, like, maybe to be put through the wash or something. Cleaned up, that's for sure. Looks like it's been sitting somewhere. Probably out in the weather, and cats were on it and stuff like that. I gotta check the inside, see what the inside looks like. It's good condition to put the guitar in. I wish there was a guitar in these, so I might have to use that one. I don't even know. Oh, there's our penny. Found a penny in there. That's cool. Okay, this looks like a long neck guitar. Hey, maybe I'll use that, guys. You can see they're a little bit dirty and stuff. Might be able to use this though for my guitar that I've just found. Not sure. Throw that over there. And another one. I mean, this one, we got a whole bunch of stuff. I don't even know what I was grabbing, guys. No idea what this is. Don't even tell me that's guitar picks. Don't even tell me that's guitar picks. Exactly what they are, guitar picks. Hey, that's pretty cool, guys.